happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Once again, we're in Santa Rosa Beach here at the dealership. We're going to be doing some walk around videos on absolutely incredible classic and muscle cars today. Today, we have one of the most recognizable muscle cars out there. If you want to call it a race car, that would be just as fine as well. But this is a 1965 Shelby Cobra Roadster. Absolutely gorgeous car. This one is what's called the Continuation Series. So this is not a kit car. This is built by Shelby American, but it was built in 2017. So it is not a 1965, or else it would be $2-3 million. 2017 built, like I said, at Shelby American out there in Arizona, and only has 120 miles on the build. Almost exactly like it would have been from the cars in 1965. 427 side oiler. Knockoff wheels like they should. This one is the fiberglass model. Side pipes coming out the side. This one was upgraded to a 5-speed manual transmission instead of the 4-speed. The body was lengthened about 2-3 inches just for more driver comfort than they were originally. It's got updated suspension up to modern standards. Rack and pinion steering. It's like it's a brand new motor. 120 miles on the odometer. All Shelby. So let's do a quick walk around video. Go through some of the features. You got a staggered stance, super wide tires on the back, a little less in the front, pop-up gas cap, just like it would have been originally. Now it does have a locking gas cap in it. Beautiful paint. This is in flawless condition. Looks brand new. This car is a one owner car. We got the title in hand, but beautiful paintwork all the way around. Roll bar looks amazing. Coming around to the side, so we got our knockoff wheels. Hit it with the hammer, they come off. Got real leather seats, 5-speed manual, brand new batteries, nice wood grain steering wheel. If you get up real close, you can see the Shelby branded gauges showing 120 miles on the clock there. Gauges all work like they should. Got electric fuel pump. Got the Carroll Shelby signature right there on the glove box. I mean, everything's just flawless. It's kind of hard to say anything negative about it because it is just exactly the way it is. Brand new car. Pop the hood here. Take a look at the 427 side oiler. Does have aluminum radiator. Got electric fans. Shelby dress-up kit, just like it would have been. Double pumper carburetor. Holley. Yep. 427 side oiler. Aluminum heads, aluminum block. Beautiful. Rack and pinion steering up front. That's definitely a major upgrade to the suspension drivability of the car. Let's fire it up. It's gonna light up the shop here. That's what it should do. Side pipes with a 427. Yes. Notice it is not equipped with a radio. This is your radio. All gauges working like they should. It's that electric fan right here. Love it. Amps. Ready to rock and roll. All right, just want to do a quick test on the wipers. Wipers are good. This should be your lights there. Lights on and off. All right, y'all, as promised, we're gonna go for a ride in this Shelby Cobra. Hold on your seatbelt, man. What does this car weigh? Like 1,800 pounds? I think the formula for speed is horsepower minus weight equals speed, something like that. So we got 5-speed manual transmission, 427 side oiler, and some gasoline. Let's see what she'll do. do with a car like this? I would definitely get in trouble. I'm saying anyway. All we can say is we got 121 miles now instead of 120. This Cobra drives absolutely beautiful. Fires up first key. It's a brand new car, so if you want a brand new Shelby Cobra Continuation Series, here you go. Now that we're warmed up, we're going to wait till we get a little bit of runway here. Talking about. That'd get your blood pumping. Let's go. That was an absolute blast to drive. Good night. If you're a driver, this is the kind of car for you. Do not let this car sit. We got to get in somebody's garage right now. My name is Josh from Drive the Coast. If I can earn your business, we do have nationwide shipping as well as financing available. Give me a call.